Hello, hi investors. Welcome to our new video on multi-bagger fundamental analysis. Today we are going to discuss our fourth stock in our channel and date is June 19, 2020. So today we are going to discuss the stock in the pharma sector and that the stock is Caplin Point Labs. So this is one of the small cap company in India and this company holds more than 2,800 products, licensed products. They have main dominant position in Latin America. So now we'll see these fundamentals of these stocks quickly. So when we see these fundamentals of the stock, right? So this ROE, ROCE, that is more than 35%. That's a good point. And we can see the promoter holdings, which is almost near 70%. And the sales growth for this company in the last 3 years is 40%. So that is a very like huge growth in the last 3 years this company is having. And one more thing is the stock PE is 12 rupees. So the stock is not highly overvalued. And if you see the price to book value, that is 3.59. That is also a good part in this company. And quickly we'll go through the balance sheet and see the reserves is going up continuously. So 210 crores in 2017 and the cash reserves is keep on growing. That is a good part. And quickly we'll see the profit and loss quickly. So if you see this, revenue is keep on growing. So 239 crores and currently it's like 863 crores this year. So their net profit also, when we see the 2016, it's 46 crore and now it is almost 215 crores. That is a huge one. And so this balance sheet and profit loss statement, this stock is looking very good. And I mean one more thing, right? So this particular company, they currently they have main focus on the emerging markets like Latin America, Caribbean, South Africa, and they have 2,800 products. But recently they are going to enter into the regulated markets like US, Brazil, Mexico, Australia. So, and they have the manufacturing facility that has been already approved by EU and Visa and US FDA. So, they are entering they are in the emerging market and their sales increased and now they are going to enter into the regulated market. So obviously their sales growth will be even more increasing and profit will be increasing in the future. That is the one point. And when we see the peers, right? So this is one of the Indian formulation pharma related company, and when we see the peers here, so all the other companies they have been like high PE value, which is overvalued, and when we see some two, you can see here, so like Bliss, GVS, and Lincoln Pharma, which have low PE. Than this company, but then also when we open this company, right? So they have promoter holding, which is not that good when we see the plus GVS Pharma. They don't have a good promoter holding, and also sales growth is not that great when compared to the Caplin Labs. So we can ignore this. And when we see the Lincoln Pharma, their sales growth is in negative in the last 3 years. So this is not worth. And so when we compare with the Indian formulation related pharma companies with the proper like undervalued or correct value stocks, so this is the one stock with good PE book value, and also if we see this sales growth part, that is very good one. So, and final point, right? They have they have 2,000 more than 2,000 products, and now they are going to get approved. Like they have in the pipeline of 300 more products, which is a good part. So their sales growth might increase. So the reasons for this, I like according to my point, why I consider this as one of the value investment. This is the reasons. So PE is 12.9 when compared to the industry PE of 20, and also we can see their sales growth. Sales growth has been increasing in the last 3 years, and it's a debt-free company, and also it's just paying 3 times more than this book value at the current price of 368, book value of 102. So these were the reasons. So I feel this stock has a capacity of multiplying hugely in the coming years. So this is my point of view of analyzing this stock. So you can do your own analysis and decide if you can invest in this company. I'm not asking you to buy, but you can. I'm just suggesting this stock has some capacity to be a multi-bagger. So do your own analysis before investing in this stock. And it's time to say some hi to the short-term traders. So if you see this stock, right? So it's above the 200-day moving average. So for a short-term traders, that is a one good point. And when we draw the Fibonacci from the recent low to the recent high, so the stock has retraced almost 61 percentage level. So the stock is good value, then you can see in this Fibonacci, this in this retracement level, this is above 200 day moving average, and retracement level is also above 61. It has that we can expect a immediate bounce in this stock from this 364 rupees to at least for like a minimum of 386, and then if it breaks this, and then we can enter to 421. So this is also a good one for, so this stock can be good one for the short term traders also. But this stock is a fundamentally good stock which having like multiply many times in the years. But please do your own analysis before investing in this stock. So in our channel, we have already mentioned few stocks like multi-bagger stocks. There are stocks which has capacity of multiplying many times. So if you don't watch that videos, watch this videos also. Link has been mentioned in the description. And kindly share this with your friends if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Thanks everyone.